Alright, this is how you use Blender to turn the 3D print file into something you can put in the video game. I forgot all about this, I didn't know this was a thing, so I'm making a second video on this one. So go ahead and hit the delete key on the keyboard and it'll bring up the sub menu. Hit the OK button. Mine was a sphere, yours might be a cube. Alright, File, Import, STL. Find your STL, which is the 3D print file. I forgot to mention that. Import STL. It's huge, but that's okay. You can zoom in and out, use the number pad with the arrows on it. It's the one that's got its own enter key. Use the arrows to navigate with the camera. And then the other buttons show presets 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Or I'm sorry, 7, 9. That one's 9. Alright. File. Export. Export as FBX. Oh shit. Save your FBX somewhere. See, I've already got it. I'm just gonna export it. And once we have that done, hop on over to Unity. And alright. Well, okay, yeah. So Unity's up. This would have normally been a sphere. This would have been a sphere, and it would have looked like this, probably. Alright. So, okay. So find that FBX you just exported from Blender. This one, see, find this? Alright. Drag it and drop it right into Unity, but you have to drop it into your assets. Don't try and drop it over here. Alright, here it is. It worked. So I can drag and drop it in now. Turns out it's humongous. But check this out. See over here? It says scale. You just take that down to 1. And then use, okay, so you can zoom in and out here, and you can click, and right click will give you the ability to look around, but you can also hit F. Alright, so hold on. Click on the skeleton hand, or click on your 3D print object. Oh, I lost it, I can't find it. So you hit the F key, bam, takes me right to it. Alright. Oh, right, and while you're holding the right mouse button to look around, W, A, S, and D flies the camera around while you're holding the right mouse button. Alright, so looking good, looking good. Alright. Anyway, so let's go on back over here. Now, oh, okay, sorry. See this? It says, well, for Rollerball, it's going to be a sphere mesh. It might be different for other player characters or whatever. But for the player character of Rollerball, it's a sphere mesh. And there's a mesh spot, and you click on it, and you can add little, you can change its shape, of course. And I had that earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and slap the hand in there, just for consistency. Alright, and then it's kind of large, sure. So let's go ahead and scale that down a little bit to half. 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. Okay, wow, that didn't work. Anyway. Well, you know what? Actually, yeah. I'll leave it at half, but I'll just go ahead and boost. Okay, see the sphere collider? Alright, so let's see here. try and organize this little bit over here. You can click on these arrows here. See the red, green, and blue arrow that are centered on the object I've selected? You can click on it and move the object around. Left and right, up and down, back and forth. Alright. So you can change it. You can change how they operate by clicking up here. Or you can hit the button on the keyboard, R's for rotate or something. Whoops. Alright. Forget that. Anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make the sphere collider a little bit larger. That should do it. Alright, so you're probably wondering how I got that cool little iridescent stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Skeleton hand, click on the 3D print file. Mine is the skeleton hand. Alright, so see, it has its own mesh. Mesh file, you can change it if you want. Alright, so mesh renderer, right? The material. So it's only got one material, which is fine. And then that one material has no name and it's just white. So you can click on it, choose a different one. This is the pickup material. Check this out. Huh. Oh, that's crazy. It didn't do anything. Huh. Wild. Wild. Let's see. Okay. Wow. This is crazy shit. Anyway, alright, so look, you can just drag and drop it. See? Drag and drop it right on there. And I'll show you how to make this particular material. It's super easy. And you can change all the colors, you can do everything you want. Alright, so let's see exactly how I did this here. Purple, green. Okay. So right click in the assets, create material. Change the shader. Whoops. Oh, I'm sorry. Change the rendering mode. No, wait, no. Shader. Specular setup. You can change the albedo. Well, hold on a sec. Actually, you should drag and drop it right now onto your object so you can see it changing. New material, right? You can change its name by double clicking on it or hitting the F2 key while it is selected. Alright, so go ahead and name it Great Mat, Great Material. Or, you know, in this case, Iridescent. Iridescent 2, because I've already got one. Shit. Alright, wow. Okay, Iridescent 2 is applied to my cube, drag and drop it right on there. Cube, my, you know, object. Alright, Iridescent 2. So you click on it, you can click on it in the assets to pull up its own properties, and then you go ahead and, I don't remember what it was, purple or something, purplish. So the first one, the albedo, is its like main color, so I've noticed. And then, so I'll do something cool like blue, that's awesome. Alright, and then the specular is like the reflection color. So let's see if I can make that look good. Oh yeah, you're gonna want to tone it down. If you go too far up, it'll just completely wipe out the albedo. So you bring it down the edge here, I think it fades away. Alright, so once you've got that nice fade happening, you can drag on this and change it to your color. Look at that, that's nice. That's not too bad. That's great, look at that. Alright, you can just exit. Smoothness, you can change it, go up, down. I like something up there, 0.7-ish, that's nice. Alright, let's see here. Let's go ahead and hit play. Oh yeah, looking good. Give me them cubes. Oh yeah, get over here. Oh right, okay, so this is I did record a tutorial already using these files. So the camera is a lot closer up. I moved it around. How I did that was I clicked on the main camera over here. And since the camera controller script tells the camera to stay where its position is, its transform is, I just went ahead and changed these. It was super convenient. Super convenient. Yours looks like this, I think. It's like a little bit farther back, and it tilts down like 45 degrees or something. So you're gonna want to, so you can go ahead and change those. So it looks probably like this, something like this. Oh, there's the other hand. There's the old hand. All right, yeah. So that one isn't even. I was just screwing around with that one. That was just a test. Jesus Christ. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and move that camera back. And then, all right, so let's go ahead and change the orientation of it. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if I can go ahead and just change the orientation of the player model here. Whoop. Alright, so I'm going to change that one to 180. And then what? Rotate it -90. There we go. That should be pretty neat. In this particular instance, it doesn't really matter. The ball rotates on its own anyway, but it's nice to have it start out in that upright position. Neat. Wow, that's beautiful. Alright, let's see if I can change it back to that other one. Let's see here. F. You can angle your camera and then F will just keep that angle. Super neat. Alright. So let's go ahead and check this out. Iridescent 2. I like iridescent 1 more. And then here, I'll show you these properties. This one's all the way purple. And then this one is like middle greenish. You can pause the video now if you want to check out these values. 3, 118, 0, 255. Smoothness is 0.77. Pretty sure that's the only values I changed. I actually like the other one a little bit more. This one's nice though. That's it.